Dear Eileen, life is like research. It involves inquiry and it seeks answers. Pero madalas, the answers cannot be found. Siguro kulang ka pa sa faith kay God. Kasi Eileen, what I have learned in life is that the Lord said, "Seek and you shall find. Knock and the door will be opened." In my years of teaching, it was only few years ago when I started to appreciate my work. Hindi ko naman kasi talaga gusto or dream to be a teacher, but that was the will of the Lord, and so be it. Mahirap maging guro. Nasa iyo lahat ng blame. Maraming paperworks, nakakapagod ang maghapong pagtuturo. Kadalasan, wala ka ng me time. I'm not complaining, but this is reality. This is the life of a teacher. This is my life. Mula sa school hanggang sa bahay, dala mo ang works mo. Then may mga household chores pa. Kasi aside from being a teacher, I'm also a wife, a mom, and a fur mom. Masaya at challenging. You really just need to find time na makapagpahinga even for a while. Pero my weapon for all of this are prayers and my faith in God. And everything turns out very fine. Most of all, I am super blessed, Eileen. Thank you sa pakikinig.